morning, students. In the last class, we have seen the topic of mechanical translation system. In that system, we have discussed about what are the symbols that are used at the mechanical translation system and what are the components that are relevant to the mechanical translation system. Anyway, just we will recall the components and the symbols that are used. The basic elements are first one is mast, second one is spring, and third one is dashpot. Mass which offers an opposing force, it is directly proportional to acceleration of the body. Second one is dashpot. Dashpot that offers an opposing force which is uh, proportional to velocity of the system. Third one, the spring, it offers an opposing force which is directional to displacement of the body. Here we have one example that is given. In that they are asking determine the transfer function x1 of s divided by f of s and x2 of s divided by f of s of the system that is shown in figure. Here we have a two mass, therefore we have to find out the two transfer function with relevant to your two masses. The displacement that relevant to first mass it is x1 and the displacement relevant to your mass 2 it is x2. Total force we have already, it is f of t. Now we go for a solution. First we have to find out the transfer function of the system m1. Among that m1, here we have a total force f of t with respect to displacement x1. The overall impact of the force applied to your m1 is, from that diagram we can conclude that the first force it is F1. After that the force that are applied to the M1 is Fk1, Fb1 and Fb12. Fb12 here the dashpot it is having a relation between both M1 and M2. So when we are writing the equation, we have to take or we have to consider the both displacements x1 x2. So for the first node M1, we have different opposing force, that is F11. That F11 it is directly proportional to acceleration of the body, so that it can be represented by m1 into d square x1 divided by dt square. Likewise we have to write the equation for different forces, and the Fb1 it can be written in the form of, we all know that the dashpot force it is directly proportional to displacement, so that we are writing b1 into dx1 by dt. Next, Fb12 is equal to b12 into the b12 dashpot component, it is having relation between both m1 and m2, so that we are writing the derivative of the velocity changes for displacement x1 and minus x2. Finally, for the spring force it is directly proportional to displacement, therefore we can write directly as x1, k1 into x1. By Newton's second law we all know that sum of the force is equal to sum of the opposing force. Sum of the force applied to sum of the opposing force. Therefore, by adding this f1 plus fb1 plus fb12 plus fk1 is equal to f of t. Now we have to make addition of all these force that are applied to the mass m1. So we can write the equation as m1 into d square x1 divided by dt square plus b1 into dx1 by dt plus b12 d of x1 minus x2 divided by dt plus k1 into x1 is equal to f of t. By taking Laplace transform, the equation it will be modified as m1 into s square of x1 into s plus b1 s into x1 s plus b12 s x1 of s minus x2 of s plus k1 x1 of s is equal to f of s. Now for the with respect to transfer function, we have to take out the form of x1 of s and x2 of s. Therefore the equation will be like this. That's all about the first transfer function. Next, for the system node m2, here we have the opposing force fm2, fb2, fb12, fk2 with respect to displacement x2. As similar to your mass m1, here also we have to write the opposing force equations, that is fm2 is equal to mass 2 into d square x2 by dt square, fb2 and that is directly proportional to velocity of the displacement, therefore b2 into dx2 by dt, fb12 having the relation of both displacement, therefore written in the form of d by dt into x2 minus x21, and fk2 is equal to k2 into x2. By Newton's law, by adding all this, there will be a equating force, it is 0. Therefore, it can be written in the form of m2 d square x2 divided by dt square plus b2 into dx2 by dt plus b1 to dx of x2 of minus x1 divided by dt plus k2 into x2 is equal to 0. By taking Laplace transform, m2 s square x2s plus b2 s into x2 of s plus b1 s into x2 of s minus x1 of s plus k2 into x2 of s is equal to 0. By simplifying this, we are obtaining the equation as x2 of s is equal to b12 s into x1 of s divided by m2 s square plus b2 plus b12 into s plus k2. By substituting the previous equation, that equation 3 x2 of s into the equation 1, we are getting the equation as x1 of s into m1 s square plus b1 plus b12 into s plus k1 minus b12 s square into x1 of s divided by m2 s square plus b2 plus b12 of s plus k2 is equal to f of s. By simplifying this, the first transfer function they are asking as x1 of s divided by f of s is equal to m2 s square plus b2 plus b12 into s plus k2 divided by m1 s square plus b1 plus b12 of s plus k1 into m2 s square plus b2 plus b12 into s plus k2 minus b12 s whole square. The second transfer function will be obtained by substituting equation 3. Finally, we are obtaining x2 of s divided by f of s is equal to b12 s divided by m2 s square plus b2 plus b12 into s plus k2 into m1 s square plus b1 plus b12 into s plus k1 minus b12 s whole square. This is the second equation that we have obtained. So finally, we are writing the final result as with respect to two equations relevant or differential equation that we have obtained for the node m1 and m2. At the same time, we are we are writing the equation for the transfer function of the system x1 of s divided by f of s, x2 of s divided by f of s, that is the quotients that are raised from the your given question.